Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Technical Omor, where we review all kinds of products. And today's product is a dog bark collar by the brand OUSI, OUSI. It is rechargeable smart barking collar with 5 adjustable sensitivity. Now we are going to unbox it. The first thing you get when you open it, dog bark collar and braided dog leash. A very good quality charging cable. And the next one is user manuals. This is the warning manual, what to do and what not to do. You can learn from it, and the suggestion for appropriate sensitivity level. And there are so many levels of it. And finally, the manual how to operate it. You can learn everything from this user manual. Once you read it, you'll know how easy it is to operate it. A pair of nuts and 2 pair of silicone sleeves. Finally, a test light. By seeing it, you'll know what is happening. And this is our actual product. You can see the buttons are very responsive and the large LED screen looks very sharp and clear. And it has 4 training mode and 5 sensitivity mode. So you can change it according to your needs. The collar has 2 activation conditions, barking and vocal cord vibration. This technology can effectively prevent false triggering and protect your dog from unnecessary punishments, which is really important for this type of product, because many times there are other products that can turn on while other dogs are barking. So this is really important feature for the dog and the collar itself. That's what makes it a unique collar. The collar is made from premium plastics, so you don't need to worry about rain, snow and splashes. This is how you plug the light indicator in the collar, and you can see the light is indicating. The battery capacity of the product is 300 mAh. So you can get easily backup up to 15 days. It's very easy to charge and it has protection of overload charging. It will remind you if you overcharge it. So it's very safer to use. The product is entirely waterproof and it is certified by IP67 rating. So you don't need to worry about rain, snow or splashes. So you can basically go anywhere you want and you don't need to hesitate. The cool thing about the product is it has 4 training modes: warning sound, vibration, warning sound plus vibration, warning sound plus vibration plus shock, which can provide the most suitable training method for your dog. And the collar is designed for both large dogs and small dogs. So if your dog is small or your dog is big, you could just adjust the belt and your dog will fit in it. You can keep track of working status of anti-bark docking collar for dogs at any time. With the night vision reflective woolen belt, you can find the location of the dog according to the light prompt and ensure the safety of your dog at night and at day. So when your dog is out, you don't need to worry about what's happening. Your dog will always be safe. And even if your dog is lost, you can always find the dog. And you don't need to worry. You can always be with your loving pet with a device like this. If you are still annoyed by your dogs barking for no reason, disturbing your rest, your office or your home while reading, and even disturbing your neighbors, adding more pressure to their life, and if you need urgently a quiet environment, this OUSI bark collar